wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling saw stands. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Bora Portamate Portacube STR, as the name suggests, folds up like a box when not in use to protect your saw and provide a viable workbench. Its collapsed width of 31 inches will fit through almost all door frames, while its 7-foot extended size helps with long planks. It has an above-average 400-pound capacity and tough 10-inch wheels. However, it is quite heavy at 95 pounds. At number 9, the Metabo HPT UU240R boasts a single-action setup and takedown process, and its quick-release mounting brackets have rubber feet to prevent damage to wooden floors. It comes with convenient adjustable material stops and treaded wheels for traction, but the assembly instructions are confusing. Coming in at number 8 on our list. At less than 23 inches tall, the budget-friendly Powertec MT4009 is a short model suitable for tools like tile and table saws. Those looking to outfit chop or miter saws will likely have better luck with the MT4008 though, which is even more affordable. It includes a handy lever for a locking pin and rubber feet secured with lock nuts. It stands 44 inches tall when stored upright. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling saw stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, backed by a 2-year limited warranty, the budget-friendly Wen MSA330 includes a built-in power bar with 3 120-volt outlets, so you can feed your saw, battery charger, and job site radio, all with a single extension cord. It comes with durable, never-flat tires and a powder-coated finish, and it can support up to 330 pounds. Moving up our list to number 6. Despite weighing just 33 pounds, the DeWalt DW7440RS sports an aluminum frame that can support up to 200 pounds, which should be more than enough for most table saws. Its collapsible legs feature quick-release levers to help make setup easy. It's equipped with a kickstand for upright storage, offset legs that help provide stability, and a retractable soft grip handle. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Bosch T4B can accommodate 18-foot boards, though you should expect this to be quite difficult, especially if you're working alone. It's still a good option for contractors with an 8.5-foot extended width that beats many in the category. It features 8-inch pneumatic tires and adjustable feet for uneven terrain, along with a patented collapsing system. At number 4, in addition to adjustable in-feed and out-feed rollers that can easily be set flush with your tool height, the frame on the DeWalt DWX726 can be set at 3 levels according to your height to help provide an ergonomic experience. It's equipped with a helpful pneumatic expansion system and backed by a 3-year limited warranty. It supports materials up to 8 feet long. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a reliable option that's built to last. The Ridgid AC9946 features a toolless adjustment system and an adaptable design with braces for accommodating strips of plywood, so you can also use it as a 1x8-foot work table when you're not sawing. The width extends to 9.5 feet, and it includes material stops for repetitive cuts and large wheels that help going up steps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling saw stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, one simple feature that sets the Protocol Equipment Professional apart from many of its competitors is the pair of brackets attached to 2 of its legs, which provide an easy way to store a stack of wood and save yourself a bunch of bending over. It comes with 3 GFCI protected outlets and a steel frame that holds up to 500 pounds. It offers an extended width of 124 inches. And taking the top spot on our list, with an impressive extended width of 9.5 feet, The Delta Power Equipment 36-267 is one of the biggest options in its category and built for professionals. It's compatible with almost all miter saws, including heavy-duty 12-inch units. It's equipped with a foot-activated release lever and convenient clamp-on saw mounts, and it supports up to 350 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling saw stands, or simply click beneath this video.